am empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free. With courage and strength I'll face the day.
Hello.
All right. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. We
How
are
are you?
live. Yes. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. We are global. Welcome to Empowered Women Live Chat. You know, we are here, four of us, to share with you why digital business is the new gold mine. This is the continuation of what we have yesterday, right? I am here. I'm Sherry. I'm a nurse, wife. I'm a farm mom, and we have Marianne. You know, she is a sales admin, wife, and a mom as well. And we have Rosalie from Italy, dental assistant, wife, and mom. And we have Joy, admin assistant, wife, and mom. And we are here to share with you why digital is a new gold mine, right? So, to start with, this is exciting, and we are live. We are globally live. You know, I'm from Canada, and Marianne from Canada too, and Joy from Canada, and we have from Italy. So means this is global. So how are you, Marianne?
Yes, hello, Sis Cherry. Kamusta naman? Happy Sunday to everybody. Again, it's another fun episode of Empowered Women here on a Sunday Sunday afternoon on my end. Yes, hello everybody. For those people who doesn't know me yet, I'm Mary Ann. I'm a wife and a mom and a sales admin, has Miss Sis Cherry have said a while ago. Joining you again for another inspiring episode. Back to you, Sis Cherry.
Yes, ang bilis ng panahon, Sis Marianne, and my business partner here. And what an amazing month it has been, right? So we're celebrating another milestone. So our global community has now grown to 266,600 members worldwide. I guess it's more because every day we are adding more. Can you imagine that? You know, 5 years ago when I started, it's not even 50,000. Yes, yeah, that's why I'm here, because I believe in the system, I believe in this business, and I believe every day that this business can change our lives. So, one thing more also, you know, we are 1,784 new action takers just this month. Incredible, right? Yeah, unbelievable, you know, because we have that promo extensions. So this is like an opportunity for everyone. And here we are to share why this is a gold mine. So, Sis Marianne, what can you say? Yes.
Yes, and we are also celebrating, no, not to mention yung milestone achievers, and of course yung mga job quitters natin around the world. Proof that when you take action, change really happens. So don't wait too long, because today's topic is all about what Sis Cherry have said. Digital is truly the gold mine. Everything is going digital. Nakikita nyo naman yan, di ba? Work, shopping, business, even schools. Technology isn't just a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. Kailangan to. And if you're not part of it, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Kaya tara na. Di ba, no, Sis Cherry?
That's right. And before we jump into our topic, so we will review, you know, what is the best news this November. I told before that it's an extension of our promo. So we have November promo, which I haven't experienced that before when I started. So the promo is still on. One sale, one commission. You have 4,020 in your pocket, and that's 4 times regular first commission. And this promo ends soon, but we are lucky that it started last October, and now we are lucky that this is extended. So, Sis Marianne, what can you say about this?
Yes, super exciting kasi naging successful yung October promo. Kaya na-extend siya for this month, 'di ba? In time for Christmas season kasi yan ang kailangan natin, 'di ba? Extra budget for our Christmas season, whether it's gifts, right? Or like yung gagamitin nating budget for celebration, right? Exactly yan. Kaya stay with us and grab your coffee na. Coffee, tea, water. Let's talk about how you can turn your phone into freedom tool. Diba? Can we start with Sis Rosalie, no? Sis Cherry?
Yes.
Sis Rosalie.
Exactly.
Hello, blessed Sunday to everyone. I'm Rosalie, a wife, mom, and digital dental assistant for more than 20 years. Siyempre, originally from Philippines, hindi po dun sa lugar na Binagyo. And currently living dito po sa Italia for more than 20 years, not to be exact. And of course, doing digital business on my free time. Ano nangyayari sa ating layout? One moment. Alright, so tuloy lang ako. Alam nyo, when I first heard about online business, sobrang hesitant ako. Ang dami kong what ifs, marami akong doubt sa isip ko na baka scam, baka di ko kaya, baka pang magagaling lang sa computer ito. Pero when I finally gave myself a chance to learn, to grow, doon ko nakita yung malaki pala yung opportunity sa digital space. I realized na everything we do now, communication, shopping, learning, even businesses, lahat talaga nasa online na, as in. Kaya tama talaga na digital is the new gold mine. Yan ang topic natin yan. So what I love most about this is kahit busy akong dental assistant at full-time mom, this business works around my schedule. Alam mo yun, because of the automation, may system na tumutulong mag-run ng business. Kahit tulog ako, kahit nasa work ako, kaya nga I always say na this business isn't just about earning extra income, but it's about building time freedom, hope for our future's family. Di ba, Joy? Ikaw din ba?
Si Joy.
Hello, Joy. Nangyari sa ating line.
Hello everyone, this is Joy from Winnipeg, Manitoba. How is everyone doing today? Yes, Sister Rosalie, that is actually right. So, everyone, my name is Joy Bell. I am here from Winnipeg, Manitoba, and I am also running this digital business online like everybody else here in the group. So, I am a mom and admin assistant here in Winnipeg. So, for me, grabe, before I was just scrolling on TikTok and, Facebook, watching everything. So, ngayon, I know that I have a purpose na I realized I don't have to scroll anymore. So, I have to do is just thinking about my future, of course, and also my future of my kids. So, I joined this digital business, and now I am learning, and I know this digital business is the beauty that's give me option and more time for my future, for my kids and my family, of course, that I really want to give more freedom for myself and for hope for my future. So that's what I really like about this digital business. It's more freedom that I am looking for my for this. So yes, go. Thank you.
Yes. Tama, Joy. Tama ka. That's right. Even you are working full-time, you can do this too because it will help our extra stream of income, especially nowadays. We can't just like work one job, So with this, even you're working full time, you can do this part time and you're still earning, without anything really, like what do you call a traditional business. This is more digital. You have your laptop, and even if you're sleeping, it's running because of the automation, right? So that is exactly, and the same with me being a nurse. My schedule is crazy. Yesterday I was working as well, so I was not in the live chat, but I'm glad that I'm here. Pero this business fits around my life, even how busy I am. So on automation does the heavy lifting, because in the background, even you're doing something or your full time job, and wherever you are, it's still working because of the power of the automation. So my business keeps running even I'm focused to my work. I love how this technology gives us power to earn smarter or work smarter, not harder, right, Sis Miriam?
Yes, it's Cherry. So it exactly, saktong-sakto yung sinabi mo. Alam mo dati, akala ko talaga na para kumita lang ng mas malaki, kailangan magtrabaho ng mas mahaba. So long hours. So that means more overtime, more shifts, and of course, more pagod, 'di ba? Nakakalungkot. Parang automatic na gusto mo ng dagdag kita, well, dagdag oras. Parang yun yung parang instinct natin before, di ba? Pero habang tumatagal, nare-realize ko, hindi pala yun yung only way. There's a bigger picture. Iba na ang direksyon ng mundo ngayon. Katulad na pinag-uusapan natin ngayon, everything is going digital. At yung mga marurunong mag-adapt, well, isasasama ko na rin yung sarili natin doon kasi nag-adapt na tayo. Sila yung nagtatrive. Sila yung may options, may flexibility, at may additional income na hindi na nakadepende sa oras at saka sa lugar. I mean, look around you. Almost every successful entrepreneur today may digital footprint, di ba? May online income stream. Ginagamit nila yung social media, automation, digital platforms nila. Not because it's trendy, but because it's where the world is actually moving to, right? Yun yung future eh. And the best part, marami sa kanila nagsimula na hindi techy, hindi confident, at hindi sure kung tama ba yung ginagawa nila, katulad ko personally, kasi ganun ako nung nag-start ako. Pero they learned, they showed up, right? Like what we're doing right now, and they adapted. Kaya kung sila, may hesitation pa rin, right? May fear, may doubts. Normal yon. Ako din nun may ganun din eh. Pero habang nagdadalawang isip tayo, the world keeps changing. So dapat, adapt din tayo, di ba? So if anybody is still hesitating, yung advice ko actually personally, wag ka maiwan. Wag dyan lang, di ba? Start learning now, start exploring, start taking small steps, kahit small steps lang, hanggang maaari ka. So, hindi mo kailangan maging expert. Hindi rin kailangan perfect timing. At kailangan lang willingness, focus dun sa big whys natin. Kasi pare-parehas naman tayo dito. May mga rason tayo kung bakit tayo na dito. So, focus lang tayo doon. Diba, no, sis?
That's right. Yeah, I think, this is the beauty of the digital, that we can do anytime, anywhere, and you're not alone. So, Sis Rosalie, you have anything to add more about why the digital business is a gold mine?
Yeah. Digital business a gold mine. Alam mo yun, sa panahon natin ngayon, ay sabi kong, as I said earlier, ay puro internet na ang ginagamit. Puro digital na lahat. Kahit nga sa banking, talagang hindi mo na kailangang lumabas para maglagay ng load sa cellphone. Meron na yan sa... So, alam mo yung hindi mo na kailangang mamasahe or whatsoever, mag-uutos ka pa sa iba. Kasi dati, di ba, nung wala pa yan dati wala yun, magre-recare ka o mag-bonifico or ang tawag doon, magta-transfer ng pera. Pwede na rin, di ba? Ano pa bang hanap nyo, bes? So, yun. So, the digital is the new gold mine. It's it. Yes. Di ba, sis?
Yeah.
Yes, so ang sabi pa dito, huwag natin kalimutan yung ating November promo is still ongoing. So one sale, one commission, it's 4,020 US dollar in your pocket. Grabe, this is the big opportunity na kailangan po ay i-grab na ninyo ang oportunidad na ito dahil nung kami po ay nag-start, nung ako po ay nag-start kami dito, wala po itong promotion na ito. So, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo, di ba? So, grab the opportunity. Joy?
Anything you want to say, Joy, about why our digital business is a gold mine?
Yes, thank you, Sis Rosalie. So if you're tired working hard and if you want to start working smarter, so this digital business is for you. So you can join our community and learn from mentors and discover how discover your savings and do yourself some internet freedom. So you can start again and connect with us, with mentors and any of us.
Okay. So we will show you our promo. This is our November promo. So it's extended, and this is for the people who wants to change their lives. Can you imagine this? You know, one sale, one commission up to 4,020 in your pocket. And this is already an extension from October and November. And, you know, because there's so many people wanting to start this business, so this is like a bonus for everyone. I told you before that we don't have this 5 years ago. You know, if I started now, this is a lucky for me, you know, to have this kind of commission. So we will wrap up now. So this is a beautiful evening, or wherever you are a beautiful morning for you. It's a good night in Europe, I guess. You know, this could be your time. This could be your time to start building that freedom you've been praying for. Right, Sis Miriam?
Yes, you're definitely correct, Sis Cherry. And don't wait for the perfect timing. Okay? Sometimes you just have to start before you're ready. Actually, ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Hindi pa ako ready, pero nag-start na ako. Sabak na, di ba? And for you to actually do it, kailangan nyo rin syempre mag-research. Is this the right fit for you? And for you to do that, ask questions, and of course, join our free live webinar to learn how this digital business works and how automation can change your life. Di ba, Sis Rosalie?
Yes, actually, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga kakilala ko or sa nagtatanong, hindi mo malalaman ng business na ito kung hindi mo susubukan. Hindi mo, kung ikaw'y natatakot, ay hindi ka talaga abante. O as in, hindi ka action. So, wala pong perfect timing. This is the right time for you to start. Kasi ganyan din kami. Kaya I know what you feel. So my website is ito, www.rosalico.com, or you can connect any one of us. So be inspired and God bless. Joy?
Yes, so connect to one of us. Start if you tired working hard. So maybe this is the one you are looking for. So start working smarter than harder. So join our community and join our free live webinar workshop. Thank you.
Thank you for those who are watching tonight. So keep believing, keep growing, and remember, digital is a new gold mine. see you at our live webinar. So we have live webinar every Tuesday and Thursday, and you can see our website under there, so you can connect to any of us. Don't hesitate to ask more and to learn more, because there's so many things to know about our digital business that people change their lives here. Okay, so any more things? And thank you, Joy. Thank you, Marianne. Thank you, Rose from Italy. And we are global, and you can start anytime, anywhere you are, and you don't need an experience to start. And we are here to guide you, and we are grow together in this business. Thank you.
All right. Bye for now.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
See you again next week.